Kawasaki original na lights, decab, oh, post of stange, original engine HD3 124. Ito choke, dalawa yung total cable dito, clutch sidekick, start naka-welding na, kaya naka-welding, grabe kapal. Dito pa pinakab to dati, original headlights, bakal. Ito ininawreg pang XRM ata, Honda, original yung 140 16 166 16,000. Wala na nga speedometer, wala na, stop ng 16,000. Brake, drum brake sa harap, headlight hindi oreg, damage, baka nabasag. Ito bakal, mudguard, bakal na bakal, sulit lang. Yan, may tawag crown, ito na to, ayan, ito yung engine 124cc, yung airbox na ito, bakal rin, Kawasaki, ito pati ito, yan ating sinusuportahan ng angle bar. Grabe, original yung fuel kakata, 2002 model. Grabe, shock, hindi to rig. Yung isa, yung original 2002 pa yan, shock. Ito original to, mayroon pang sticker. Yan, ano to, tagal, storage box, oh, battery ata dito, yung storage. Uy, may papel, uy, original pa, Kawasaki handbook, bali safe riding ko, manual sa pagdadrive ata, yun, mga wiring harness, hindi pa man malutong, hindi naman malutong, repairable pa. May fuse dito, fuse ata, grabe, 2001, 20 years, 25 years. Ito original, meron pang sticker, naputol ka. Bakal dito, hindi na ginalaw. Ito pa, original pa to ah. Yan na. Yung ground yun niya, 1 down, 2 up ata, 3 up. 4th gear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4th gear. Yan. May center stand. Yung airbox. Meron yang oil feed, tutti feeder ata to. Yung magkamali. Yung tangke original. Buti na nabasa. Yan, original ba? Japan, Kawasaki, Japan. Nasimbog ata in Philippines. Yung part pesa niya galing Japan. Tingnan natin. Kawasaki Motors Philippines, Muntinlupa, Philippines.